Hello and welcome to my adventures. So আজি আমি 2016 or integrals or part discuss কৰিব আহিছো. So let us begin with the first part. আজি আমাৰ first part of video. Okay, the first question is to integrate sin inverse x whole square. Now before starting this question, let me take you to this list. So sinaki lagi ase, this is the list of your formula of integration. On the left hand side you have all the derivatives. Jor porai ami actually integration, that is the antiderivative indefinite integral or result keta pao. Yat tumaloke observe koribo parisa ji ami formula bare bare use koru heketai formula hoy. Okay, so now yat jodi ami mon koru yat ma kyo dekhabo bisarisu tumaloke aji formula list iman deri ke hobo pare, because first of all I know that you know the formula. Education or karone eta important part eta ase ji ami ma kobo bisarisu. Now observe here all the trigonometric integration, but you will not find integration of tan x dx papa janu nai, integration of sec x dx papa janu nai, tenaka dhoroner aru ketaman amar absent hoy ase cot x sec x hoy na hoy. Now if you come down you will get ddx of sin inverse x cos inverse x, inverse trigonometry ddx of form ase, but yat jodi tumi sabo jua tumi integration bisai nupo, there is we don't find integration of sin inverse x dx, integration of cos inverse of dx. Jiman sota inverse trigonometry question ase tenaka tumi nepa. Yat amar kamot ahe method of substitution and by parts. Now by method of substitution we can find the value of integration of tan x sec x cot x hoy na hoy, and your formula hisabe ami use koru. And by using by parts use korake ami integration of sin inverse x cos inverse x hey keta value ami ako bisari pao yotor result. So hetu monot thoba tenaka bahut standard function tar integration direct list on ne pabo par, but hey keta formula result and expression bisar karone substitution and by parts ama bahut help kore. All right, now let us go to the first question. So yar ami gom palu okay aru eta part asile ya moi tumaloka ekebare dekhai lao. Yat moi tumalokor karone aru eta bostu loi anisu, that this one integration of sin inverse x. Now observe here integration of sin inverse x we stop to 9, but if you take the product with 1 then ami ak by parts loi jabo par. So video pause kori tumaloke sabo para that yat keneke integrate korile yoti using by. Okay, so ami given likhi lao. So this is your given. Now yat ami eta kam koru, let us take the product of sin inverse x with 1. So sin inverse x whole square dx ami product loi lo with 1. Now 1 will be the second function and sin inverse x whole square will be the first function. Here ami likhi lo. Okay, so ami likhilo taking sin inverse x as the first function and 1 as the second function and using by parts. So keep am simple by parts or ji formula hoy tate ami bohai diu. Okay, all right, so a amar by parts or formula bohalo. Now let us see keep am. So integration of 1 dx, that is dx tar por ami x pam. So x into sin inverse of x whole square. So a first part or result tumi pala, second part or ami minus integration. Now ddx of sin inverse x 2 times of sin inverse x tumi paba. Ita amar chain rule apply koribo lagibo. ddx of sin inverse x how much 1 by under root 1 minus x square into integration of dx ako x tumi pala and a dx. All right, now let us observe this second part. Yat ki hobo here jodi ami closely observe koru you will get 3 functions, 3 term functions bolio kobo para or 3 terms. Sin inverse x 1 by under root 1 minus x square and x. Itia tumar sabo lage that eta function of differentiate korile kenabake an eta ahi ase sin inverse of differentiate korile we will have what 1 by under root 1 minus x square. So this tells us that ami yat substitute koribo lage jehetu sin inverse x of differentiate kori tumi aru eta function pai asa. Okay, now let us do one thing. আমি first part likhi lao jeneke dia ase whole square minus 2 ami bahirot loi anu to tat thokar kono necessary nohoy, baki remaining part keta likhi lo. Okay, jehetu yat ami substitution korim boli dhori thoisu, now let us do one thing. Yat ami here integration or thai let us take I1 and let us give a constant also C1 and make this equation number 1. All right, now what? Etia amar kaam start hobo substitution. So for I1, let sin inverse x equals to t boli ami dhori loisu. Differentiate korile ami jano ami ki pam 1 by under root 1 minus x square dx equals to dt. All right, now let us replace this term. Okay, so yat ami integration jodi bohabo jao, therefore I1 is equals to integration of yat ki pam ebar ami sai lobo paru. Yat tumi jodi mon kora, this term will become t ea aru dx or logot boni jabo dt aru x or thai tumi bohaba sin t, hoy na nohoy? So ultimately we are going to get t sin t. So yat ami t into sin t dt bohai. Okay, so here ami ki palu, we have a product of algebraic and trigonometric. So again amar yat by parts of jabo lagi. Okay, so using ilet ami kobo paru t will be the first function and sin t will be the second function. Okay, so ami yarako formula to likhi lom. Okay, so this is your by parts of formula. Etia ki hobo sao? Now what is integration of sin t? It is minus cos t. So minus t cos t to me at pala minus integration. What is dt of t? It is 1 into again integration of sin t minus cos t. So bahirot ami plus bonai, yat ami cos t bohai diu, cos t dt. Okay, so finally ami at pam minus t cos t plus integration of cos t will be sin t, and let us put a c2 constant. Now the final work is to remove the t. So t er thait ki bohibo? T er thait obviously sin inverse x. So jot ami t dekhi asu tat ami sin inverse x bohai jao. So minus sin inverse x into cos of sin inverse x plus sin inverse t kiman hobo amar x directly likhi dibo para plus c2. All right, so minus sin inverse x likhar pisot, now don't leave it here because cos of sin inverse x or inverse trigonometry por ami eliminate koribo paru, and it will be how much? 1 minus x square. So ami inverse trigonometry video keta tumaloke sabo para, ami agore kori thoisu tenaba dhৰণৰ dher proshno. Okay, all right, so this is your final form. Eti amar kaam ki hobo? Eti ami equation 1 jontu bohai thoisu bonai thoisu tar ami put kori diu. Therefore equation 1 implies I equals to tar amar asile x into sin inverse x whole square minus 2 times of a minus and last or ami eta common c lulu. Thus etia tumi ekhini simplify ta break koribo. Yat thole hoy eko iman eta important step no hoy, but still here ami bracket khini jodi otrai diu, you will have the final step if you remove the bracket whole. All right, so here we end this question. All right, iman tan nasile but still dubar by parts use hoy asile. Okay, and initially ji ami discussion korisu bhalke observe koriba kotha kin. All right, now let us go to the next question. Now the next question, question number 7(1) or second option. Now yat jodi tumi observe kora carefully, the denominator actually is in the form of quadratic form ase. Okay, now jodi quadratic form thake, that is 1 by quadratic, upor to amar 1 edia ase, then what should we do? Etia ami eya formor kotha chinta koribo paru. Okay, so to find the integral of dx divided by 1 by dx divided by quadratic form, then we should apply completing square. We should apply completing square. So completing square korar karone eta ami kaam koru, ekdom simple eta question given ami agot likhi lom. Now let us break this to factor. Duta factor dia ase, tumi jodi bhangi dia quadratic khini ulai hi jabo. So x square plus thrice x plus 2. Okay, now we will use completing square. So for completing square, here ami ki pam ebar sai lom. So x square to likhi bai. Now x or agot observe kora amar plus sign dia ase, gori ami at plus 2 times of x likhiboi lagibo because we want to make a square plus twice ab plus b square. Okay, but what will be b here? It has to be 3 by 2. Etia to be complete koribo pariba. Okay, plus 3 by 2 tar square loa, again subtract that 3 by 2 and add the original 2 junto agor pra ase. Now the first three parts will give me a whole square. So ইয়াত আমি প্ৰথম তিনটা পাৰ্টত x plus 3/2 ৰ whole square পাম, and the remaining দুটা পাৰ্ট যোনটো তোমাৰ ক্যালকুলেট কৰিব লাগে ৰাফত কৰি লবা কি আছে ইয়াত আমাৰ 2 minus 9/4 যদি আমি ক্যালকুলেট কৰো we will have minus 1/4. So you are going to get minus 1/4. Alright, so completing square শেষ কৰাৰ পিছত now তুমি এতিয়া এবাৰ চিন্তা কৰা বা ৰাফত এবাৰ লিখি ল'ব পাৰা that এয়া কি ফৰ্মত যাব বিচাৰি আছে. It is trying to become dx divided by x square minus a square, হয় না? But there is a simple problem that the formula is made for dx and x square. These two variable has to be same. একে হ'ব লাগে এই দুটা ভেৰিয়েবল, but ইয়াত তুমি যদি মন কৰা আমাৰটো দিয়া আছে x plus 3/2 ওপৰত x আছে বাৰু but তলত আছে আমাৰ x plus 3/2. So what should we do? ইয়াত নিয়মখিনি হয় that we should substitute with t. তেতিয়া মিলি যাব, but হেতু নকৰাকে let us do a shortcut যে আমি আগৰ পৰাও কৰি আহিছো. হেয়া কি হয়, in place of dx we have to write d of x plus 3/2 and again denominator যি আছে তেনেকৈ থাকিব x plus 3/2 whole square and then minus 1/2 square. এবাৰ verify কৰিবা, this is very important. So আমি যদি verify কৰো that is numerator যি আছে তুমি তাক ddx কৰা বা তাক যাক তুমি substitute কৰিছা differentiate কিমান হ'ব, you will get 1. Now send that dx on the right hand side. Right hand side যদি আমি dx পঠাই দিও you will have how much, d of x plus 3/2 equals to dx. So এতিয়া আমি observe কৰিলে ইয়াত originally আমাৰ dx আছিল, এতিয়া আমি যি লিখিছো তাৰ পৰা dx পাম. So both are equivalent. First এতিয়া আমি ফৰ্মুলাত গুছি যাব পাৰো আৰু ইয়াৰ ফৰ্মুলা কি হয় 1/2 times of a 1/2 আহিছে log of mod of x plus 3/2 minus half divided by x plus 3/2 plus half and a constancy. Bas almost done. It is simple calculation amar ase jeneka dekhi pai asa 2 to cancel jabo and jodi tumi logor bhitor LCM loa you will have log of mod of twice x plus that 2 hobo denominator twice x plus 4 to be plus c. Now we can remove the 2 and we will have the final result. So you will have x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 plus c. Alright, now let us move on to the last question of today's video. So here namak diya ase definite integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus 10x. Now here definite integral or question of first of all we have to analyze that here property use koribo pari mane par. So ami given this start koru and চিন্তা কৰা ইয়াত কি property use কৰিব পাৰা. ইয়াত আমি limit side decide কৰো, we actually decide using limit, the appearance of the limit. So ইয়াত আমি যদি মন কৰো limit দিয়া আছে কি বাৰু integration from 0 to a. So it is of the form of মই একেবাৰে অলপ তলত লিখি দিছো integration of 0 to a f of x dx which will become integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx যদি তুমি property use কৰা. Now কৰো নে নকৰো, now logৰ প্ৰশ্ন ইয়াত আমাৰ log function দিয়া আছে. Now logৰ questionত immediately গম নেপাব পাৰা because logৰ নিজৰ property আমি use কৰি দিম. Okay, so let us see, let us go with the property and see কি বনে ইয়াত. So ইয়াত আমি logৰ ভিতৰত যত x দেখি পাবা use this property. So in place of x we will write how much, pi by 4 minus x dx. Okay, now side to me to likhi lobo para, you have used this property. So teneke ami side likhi dibo paru ba uporo using boli likhibo para. Okay, all right, now yat ami ki koru next etia jodi mon kora we have 10a minus b. 10a minus b to nijor eta formula ase. Now let us break in that formula. 1 plus what is it, 1 minus 10x, here para 1 minus 10x bonibo divided by 1 plus 10x. So simple 10a minus b formula use korile tumaloke result pab. Okay, now what etia tumi logor bhitor mon kora perfectly LCM or karone bana ase. So ami jodi at LCM law ki pam log of 1 plus 10x and aru eta term tumi paba 1 minus 10x. divided by denominator will be same. Okay, now if you observe 10x will get cancelled and we will have here 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 by 1 plus 10x. Okay, etia yat ahiye tumi kobo para that ami property use kori correct approach lulu ne. Now observe here, we can use the property of log junto moi likhi disu side ot baru, which is your log of p by q. Now what is log p by q? This we know is log p minus log q. Alright, so yat jodi ami use koru, you will have log 2 minus log of 1 plus 10x. Alright, so now what? Etia tumi yat separate jodi kora, integration 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus dx eta log minus integration 0 to 4 pi by 4 log of 1 plus 10x dx. Okay, now observe that the second part is actually the question that we got. Ji amar question dia asile hetu ami pam. So yeah, ami first part or jodi sound log 2 is a constant, tumi ulai dibo para, you will have integration from 0 to pi by 4 dx, and in this place you can write I because the question asile ami I dhori thoisu. Now take this I on the left hand side, tetia tumi paba twice I equals to log 2 to ase. Now what is integration of dx? X, tamne result of pi by 4 minus 0, that is pi by 4 paba, and finally our answer we will have pi by 8 log 2. Alright, so definite integral question teneke log thakile olop durot goya hoyto ami gom pabo paru. Okay, it may be far away, but still practice korile, sufficient practice tumi nije gom pai jaba that yat ki hoy ase. So ajir question keta jodi benefit pala, jodi kiba new hikila, then like koriba and share koriba so that aru student benefit pai. So ajir video iman loket holo. Thank you.